Hello campers, welcome back to another day of learning all about math. Okay, on this week it's our space week. So our standards for this week are MAF, SKG1, identify and describe shapes, and as well as MAFS.K.S2G1, reasons with shapes and their attributes. And the objective is that you will be able to describe shapes and their attributes. All right, so we're going to start our lesson off first with a little reading. 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 4 green speckled frogs, glub, glub. One little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. It jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were no green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. So basically that story was like a countdown story. If you remember our subtraction lesson from last week, boys and girls, that story went 5 minus 1, which is 4. Then it went on from 4 minus 1 to 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 3 minus 1 is 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1. And then it was none. So that was just a quick recap about our lesson. So we're going to talk about our vocabulary words for shapes. It's cone, sphere, angles, vertices, oval, cube, square, cylinder, and a rectangle. Alrighty. Shapes that are triangles, they have 3 vertices and 3 angles. Triangle. You see it has 1, 2, and 3 angles and 3 vertices, which are points. All right, let's look at the diamond. The diamond has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 angles and 4 points. Let's look at the rectangle. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has 4 angles and 4 points. So this is the way, boys and girls, that we will identify our shapes. All right, so we're going to play a little game. The game is called Math Game. And I'm going to use the cube. And on my cube, boys and girls, I have the shapes that we're going to be working on. All righty, here we go. We're going to roll the cube. The cube landed on top. The shape on the top is actually a cube. So I'm going to start here, and we're going to go to the first cube that we see. And the first cube that we see will be a box. So this is where your marker would be. All right, so I will roll it again. Oh, okay, the next one is the shape of a sphere. So we will go to the next shape that looks like that, and that is this shape where here, the tennis ball. And it's right there. And the objective of this game, boys and girls, while we're on the softball, is that we have to start here, but our main focus is that we have to get all the way down until we come to the end of the game. So let's keep going. The next one is a cone. Oh, the cone is just right there. Okay, we're going to do it again. Oh, that's just 2. We're not doing numbers, boys and girls. We're doing shapes. So let's roll again. Okay, a cylinder. So let's go. Oh, there it is. It's a can. Let's go again. A sphere. Here's the sphere. It's an orange and it has that shape. All right, we're going to roll it again. We're going to go to a cone. Oh, there is the cone. Okay, you see we have to keep going in the same direction. We can't go backwards, we have to keep going forward until we get to the end. Okay, the next one is a spear. So we have to go all the way down until we get to the soccer ball. Okay, let's roll again. We got a cone. And we're at the end of the game. So boys and girls, this is a game that you can play with your family, friends at home. You can play a game. You could either go outside and make it on the sidewalk and do a little design of your own and put shapes inside and make your own little cube with the shapes that you would like to work with for that particular day. I hope that you all are learning a lot, because I am learning a lot as we're learning together about our shapes and their attributes. Have a good space week, boys and girls, and I look forward to seeing you on our next lesson.